Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start now, power off the Xbox 360, unplug everything and remove any external drives. You need Torx T8 and T10, plastic pry tools, and an anti-static strap. This protects electronics. Open the case carefully. There are clips and screws in specific zones, so photograph each step. Once done, place screws in labeled groups to avoid confusion. You do this because organization prevents lost screws and reduces reassembly time. And static protection prevents data-destroying discharge. Once the shell is open, you locate the hard drive bay and remove the bracket screws. Then gently disconnect the SATA and PowerFlex connectors. Do not yank connectors at odd angles. You inspect the drive visually and by feel. Listen for grinding, check for burn marks, and confirm connectors are intact because those clues tell you whether repair or replacement is needed. If your plan is data recovery, clone the drive using a soldered USB adapter and verify the image before any destructive testing. You finish by installing a compatible replacement drive or, if salvageable, reconnecting cleaned connectors and reassembling in reverse order. Make sure all screws return to their original positions. Power on with minimal peripherals so you can confirm the console recognizes storage and boots games. This isolates variables. If the drive is still not recognized, troubleshoot. Power down, receipt connectors, swap the SATA cable or port, and try the drive on a PC adapter. If problems persist, the board or drive electronics may need professional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.